It is all burned! The food is completely burned!
Alex, the flame is on maximum.
Amelia, my friends are coming over today.
Oh, that's nice. When are they coming?
They will come today, and I want to cook dinner for them myself.
You want to cook? Alex, you cannot make anything properly.
I can cook, and I will. Don't underestimate me.
We'll see about that.
I have watched so many recipe videos on YouTube.
Alex, watching recipes is not the same as cooking.
I know the ingredients, the steps, everything.
Knowing the steps and actually cooking are very different things.
Mom, Dad, what is going on here?
We could hear you from upstairs. Dad should cook. We want to taste different food today.
Yes, you can do it, Dad. We believe in you.
See, Amelia? Even the kids know I can do this.
Okay. Alex will cook.
Yes, let's go, Dad.
This is going to be so good.
All right, team, let's start cooking.
This is going to be fun today.
What are we making, kids?
Dad, guest will love chicken pasta. There are a lot of recipes on YouTube.
Okay, little chefs, we will follow it.
Let's do exactly what the chef in the video does.
All right, team, we saw the recipe. Let's get started with the cooking.
Spices, bowls, pots, all set, Dad.
All done, let's start with chopping tomatoes and onions. Okay, Chef Dad.
The onions are making me cry.
You are crying for no reason.
According to recipe, first step is boiling water.
Let's boil water in this cook pot.
Here we go. The water's on the stove.
Dad, what's next in the recipe?
The water is boiling. We need to add pasta now. Where is the pasta?
Here is pasta, Dad. It was in the pantry.
Thank you, Ethan.
Here goes the pasta!
It says boil the pasta for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes boiling. Kids, we have time. Amelia, you were saying I can't cook? See, the food is being cooked.
I'll believe it when I taste it. When guests are coming, Alex, will the food be ready when they come?
Yes, there is plenty of time. Dinner will be ready before they even ring the doorbell.
And what are you making?
I am cooking chicken pasta.
Oh no, the pasta. It's been 20 minutes, Ethan. Lily, let's go.
Okay, it's a bit overboiled, extra sauce, and nobody will notice.
Dad, even the sauce can't fix this.
Okay, everything is under control. Now we need to add chicken.
Chicken?
Let me grab the chicken quickly.
Hurry up, Dad.
Got the chicken. Time to cook.
Here is the chicken, fresh from the fridge.
Dad, that chicken is completely frozen.
Why is this knife not working? This chicken is like a rock.
Dad, you have to defrost it first.
You are right, Ethan. I need to defrost it. Garlic goes in now, just like pasta. It will boil and cook itself.
Dad, you are supposed to peel it and cut it into pieces first.
The heat will handle everything. That is what cooking means.
I don't think that is what cooking means, Dad.
Now the onions and tomatoes go in. This is starting to look real.
It actually smells okay, Dad. Maybe it will work.
See? It's going to be delicious.
Ethan, please bring the salt and add it to the pasta.
Okay, Dad. I am adding salt, Dad.
Good job, buddy. Keep going.
It tastes so sweet and delicious.
Sweet, Ethan, that was sugar, not salt.
Don't say anything to Dad, please.
Okay, kids, the food is cooking. Let us go sit with Mom.
Yes, I am tired. Cooking is hard work.
See, Amelia, the food is cooking. Everything is going well.
Okay, Alex. Let us wait and see. Wait, do I smell something burning?
Burning? No, that is just the food cooking.
Alex, that is not cooking smell. That is burning smell.
Dad, I can smell it from here.
The food! I have to check the food.
Alex, I told you this would happen.
It is all burned. The food is completely burned.
Alex, the flame is on maximum.
I cannot believe this. I worked so hard and now it is all burned.
You left the kitchen, Alex. The food needed you here.
Amelia, the guests are coming in 2 hours. What do we do now?
Do not worry, Alex. I have a plan.
I just wanted to cook a good dinner for my friends.
Dad, you tried your best. We all tried.
Amelia, I need your help. What do we do about dinner?
I have a plan B. Option 1, we order food from a restaurant and eat here at home.
Okay, that could work. What is option 2?
Staying home? We do that every day.
Is there another option, Mom?
Option 2 is we all go to a restaurant together.
Wait, that is actually a great idea.
Yes, we are going to the restaurant.
I knew it! I just knew tonight would be special.
Okay, let's go to the restaurant. You always have good ideas, Amelia.
I know. Now go and get dressed quickly.
Everyone, let's change our clothes, get ready for restaurant.
Okay. Alex, you look very handsome.
I clean up well when I have to. Okay, team, we look great. Nobody talks about the burned pasta tonight.
The guests just sent a message. They are on their way now.
Perfect, we are ready.
How long does it take? When are they coming?
Any minute now, Ethan. Be patient.
They are here. They are here.
Okay, everyone, calm down. Let us go to the door nicely.
Welcome, Olivia and Andrew. We are so happy you are here.
Thank you, Alex. Your home looks wonderful.
We are so glad you came. We have a special plan for tonight.
Oh, really? How exciting. What is the plan?
Tonight, we are all going to a restaurant together for dinner.
What a lovely surprise. We love that idea.
Yes, we are going to the restaurant. I have been waiting for this all day.
Let us go. The night is just beginning.
I want a big pizza. I am so hungry.
Wow, it looks so good inside.
I can already smell the food from here.
This is much better than eating at home.
I know, Alex, I always know.
This pasta looks nothing like what we made today.
Let us never talk about today's pasta again.
Next time I will not cook Amelia.
Next time we just come straight to the restaurant.